it. Okay, you know how the drill works. 2 questions. If you get them both right, you'll be going on a very special trip. So the first question: what is the capital city of England?
Is it Scotland? Wait, no.
London. It is the right answer. Question 2. For the decider. Really difficult one, I'm afraid. What's 1 + 1?
Banana. Wait, is it 2?
It's the right answer. Bananas. Please stop. Okay, do you want to know what your prize is? You've won a trip for you and 2 mates to a 0 hygiene rating restaurant.
0 hygiene.
2 you're gonna bring your mates with.
Oh, Sean.
Pick me.
There's the devil there.
Yay! So let's go. We're now down at Penarth Pier. We've googled it up and we found one of the restaurants establishments 0 hygiene rating. So yeah,
Time to go in.
I also found this cool stick.
And I use it as a pony. Let's go. So, unfortunately, or maybe fortunately, it was closed. So, however, fortunately, or maybe unfortunately, there's a curry house in Dinnish Palace.
So let's go. By the way, you 2, there's no room on the broom.
No! You've had too much Donaldson!
So here we are in Dinnish Palace, and we're gonna get like chicken balls and some stuff from the shop. Oh, she has the stick.
I painted it invisible.
Oh! Go on without me. You can order the stuff without me. Oh! So guys, here is the rating. Now my dad's car have just gone in to collect the food, and then yeah. So we've got the food now.
Yep.
It smells quite nice when we walked out.
Poppadoms.
We've got extra poppadoms, which is nice of them. We've got curry sauce. I hate curry sauce.
Tango.
Oh, chips. Chips, poppadoms.
Right, stop.
I don't know what this is.
That's our curry thing.
Oh, well, I didn't know we ordered salad. Everybody loves free packaging. Don't know. Hard to unidentified food objects. Pop it on.
I think that's...
Don't rang if I go.
Tastes good?
Right?
Tastes good?
Tastes like a normal poppadom. Yeah.
Waiting for your poppadoms and chicken curry.
Try you wince.
Amazing.
You're rubbish at this.
It's
Take it back out.
got a hint of spice. Yeah. Just. What?
Hot chicken, is it?
Chicken.
Is that
How's it taste?
hot?
There's nothing wrong with it. Anyone want to yeah. Just one. I'm having the rest. Okay.
Doggy.
I'm not that good.
Nah.
No.
Great. Omelette.
Patty.
What have you got?
Patty. This omelet's not that nice.
Yeah,
But
it's lamb.
this burger's really nice, but the omelet's not that nice.
Can I try some burger?
So we have 2 so far, and we've got 1 to go. Lamb thingy-majiggy. Lamb.
Oh my god.
That's amazing. That's really nice. Lamb is just the best meat ever. This is like,
Yeah.
if I compared this to school dinners, this is like McDonald's compared to school dinners.
That's not necessarily a compliment.
Well, anyway, school dinners have a 5-star rating. This has a 0-star rating. They should really switch places.
Yeah.
This is amazing. So we just had the food, and then I think it's time to rate what we thought of the food out of 5. In my opinion, I'd rate it around a 4.7 because the meat there is really nice. The poppadoms there, well, you can't. It's hard to spoil a poppadom. Are really nice. It's just the chips I think need improvement. And the omelette was...
And your manners.
the omelette needed a bit of improvement.
Yeah.
But I've never been a massive fan of omelette anyway.
I'd give it around 4.9.
Wow.
I like the chips. I like everything except the omelette. The omelette was too oily.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm giving it a 4.7 as well as Brent. I didn't like the chips as well, but I did like the omelette.
And you don't like omelette.
Yeah, I know, but I liked it. I still like the pompadons.
So, yeah, I think they don't deserve a 0. But also, I noticed while we were there was a man who worked in the hygiene ratings food telling them how they could improve their hygiene rating. Because I know hygiene ratings isn't about taste, it's about hygiene. But I think at least they should give it at least higher than a 0 because I thought it was really nice.
Yeah.
By the way, Kai, how did you enjoy your gift on the Idiot Show?
I thought it was better than I expected.
Me too, I really liked it.
Yep, and me.
I thought we were just going to have to eat it. We're going to be poisoned and we're going to go to the Subway for tea. But that was really nice, so we don't need to anymore.
Yeah.
No.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Circle dance, everyone.